Well, thank you for joining another episode of Sitting with Shay J. Today's episode focuses on community engagement and healthcare awareness. Sitting with two prominent figures in Colorado's music scene, DJ Ktone and DJ Squizzy Taylor. They are both leveraging their platforms to raise awareness through the importance of health coverage for young adults. And as a part of their partnership with Connect for Help Colorado, they are doing amazing things. DJ Ktone, DJ Squizzy Taylor, it is wonderful to have both of you here today.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah. Absolutely, thank you. Thank you so much for being here. I'm excited about this conversation because you guys are both successful DJs. You have foundations that are absolutely successful as well. And you really take on your role as community leaders and partner with organizations really like Connect Health for Colorado. I wanna know what drove you and influenced you to have this partnership, and what drove you to really be advocates for healthcare? Because you could have just been DJing, and so you've taken it a lot further than DJing. What is the inspiration behind that?
I think it's real important with me and Ktone's audience, and the way the city looks at us and our reach, that we let the city know the resources and the opportunities that they have within healthcare. In the Black community, healthcare is super important, and we need to focus way more on it. So with our platform, it was a no-brainer to get that information out to the people, and with our foundation, it was a perfect fit for us.
I love that. I think it's absolutely inspiring. DJ Ktone, I know you have Ktone Cares Foundation, focuses on mental health awareness and education. How do you believe that addressing mental health stigmas aligns with really providing overall well-being in healthcare and healthcare access? How do those things align for you?
Well, mental health, healthcare, it's all in one. If you can't do anything if your mental's not right. If your mental's not right, your health isn't gonna be right.
Yeah.
Your health isn't right, you might not make it. So I feel it really aligns, and it's important, and that's my focus is really showing up for our mental health, showing the people that mental health is important, self-care is important, but at the same time, healthcare at the end of the day, because a lot of us really didn't, and I'm not saying I didn't, but a lot of us didn't grow up with healthcare or health coverage or not even Medicaid, so they was just winging it. If something happened, they might be in trouble.
And a lot of trouble.
So our job, myself, Squizzy, our job, man, is to just change that narrative. You know what I mean? And changing that. Healthcare is important.
You're absolutely changing the narrative, and you're making healthcare look cool. So shout out to both of you for that. Squizzy Taylor, I know you have a foundation as well, Celebrate Life Foundation. You're really empowering the younger generation through music and education, outreach. How was this connection for healthcare access, and what did that look like with your mission? How did these things come together for you as this opportunity arose?
I think more like you kind of how you said, like making healthcare cool. Like I think another stigma we have is just being scared to know, and also being scared to know it's affordable. You know what I'm saying? So letting people know, like with everything we do with our foundation, that it's cool. It's okay to get checked up. It's okay to make sure your family's okay and your future's intact. You know what I'm saying? So through my foundation is trying to find different ways to make it look cool. You know what I'm saying? Because that's how you get to the youth, I think.
That's absolutely how you get to the youth. You guys are making this look cool. You have your own platforms, but you're now connected with Connect for Health Colorado. Can you tell me about this role as really community ambassadors for healthcare awareness? What does this look like when you stepped inside of Connect for Health for Colorado? What did that look like to really build this partnership?
Well, I mean, for us, it was easy. Like I said, like Squid said, it was a no-brainer. So, when the opportunity presented itself, it was like, we want to make sure that, okay, is this really gonna happen? How do we talk to the people? We can use our language. My main thing when we even started, can I use my language?
Right.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because sometimes the verbiage gets mixed up and they don't understand, and that's the problem now. We don't understand the verbiage.
Yes.
So we have to break down the verbiage so our people can understand. And healthcare. Healthcare.
You're meeting people where they're at, and that's important. When we think about community, I always think about it can't be so out of reach that we don't reach community. And so I think this is beautiful to see. How do you inform and educate the community? Because like we said, you have to meet them where they're at, but they need to know about insurance and the resources and the benefits that are available. So how do you meet community where they're at? What are some of the ways you do that?
I think I give you an example. And before I got with Connect for Health, I didn't have insurance either as an entrepreneur. So
Yeah.
I'm learning as we go, you know what I'm saying? And being able to explain that to our community and meet them where I, because I'm learning as well, because a lot of entrepreneurs don't get healthcare through a job. We just kind of
Yes.
winging it. So, you know, as I'm going on and becoming more successful, I'm learning more about healthcare and how to explain it to other people. So it's been a good journey. Yeah.
That's an amazing journey because I think a lot of times we don't talk about that, right? We're moving in these spaces, and if you don't have this 9-to-5 career, you don't really know what you
what
even
you
have
gonna do.
access to, right?
Yeah,
It just always seems like,
exactly.
it's not attainable for me. I can't get there.
Yeah.
And it's beautiful to see like this is obtainable for all people.
Yes.
When we look at this, the importance and why we are really connecting with these platform for insurance, what do you hope some of the people at home will do now that they know that this resource is available?
Well, my thing is I want them to just take action. I want them to take action and just know it's easy. Like somebody's always, as far as Connect for Health, somebody's always there to answer the call, answer their questions. Because a lot of us have questions
Yes.
that we kind of might be scared to ask or might not even know how to ask, the right question to ask, but you know, they're available for even, call them up and this is what I'm trying to do and they'll kind of guide you in the right direction.
like
So it's fairly easy.
You know, when we say, you know, we know our community and young people don't really know about this, is there any misconception that you run into often that you're like, hey, that's not the truth, that's not how this healthcare thing works, that's not what it really looks like? Is there anything that you run into like that?
I think it's just the price
Yeah, the
of
price.
healthcare.
Yeah.
The price of healthcare. You know, it could be as cheap as $10, or depending on your plan, it could be very affordable. So, but when you think of healthcare and you don't have it, it's like, I can't afford to go to the doctor.
Yeah.
I can't go get my teeth done. You know what I'm saying? It seems
that's
like a
real.
very expensive thing. So I think just the price is probably the biggest misconception.
Oh, that's a good one because that entry of that barrier, you're saying like, can I even have this? And now we know it's obtainable.
Yeah.
Those people that are watching at home and you want to leave them with a message, what would you like to say, Ktone, for a message that you want to leave the people with?
I just want to tell the people, man, it's okay.
Yeah.
Just do it. It's beneficial. It's worth it, and it's cool.
Yeah.
Like Squizzy said, that's my main thing is, it's really cool to do this stuff. You know what I mean? It's really cool to take care of your health.
It's cool.
You know what I mean? A lot of us didn't grow up like that, man. But it's our job to let the kids know this is cool.
This
You
is
wanna
what
be
cool looks
cool?
like.
Yeah.
This the
Take
cool
care of your
side.
body.
When
Take
you
care of
know
yourself.
better, you do better, right? So this is
Absolutely.
what cool looks like.
Yeah.
Squizzy, is there anything you want to leave the audience with?
He kind of hit it on the head, but I think just adding that we only get one life, we get one body, you might as well take care of it.
You might as well. This is the one
Might
thing we
as
know
well.
we get one of.
We get one of. We're here for one good time. Let's make the most of it.
I love that. These gentlemen are doing phenomenal things. This conversation with DJ Ktone and DJ Squizzy Taylor is really a reminder of the powerful impact of music, community engagement, and healthcare awareness. Their dedication to breaking mental health is a stigma, and making sure we get that out the door and empowering the urban young adults is truly inspiring. Remember to visit Connect for Health Colorado and learn more about your healthcare insurance options. And now remember, you can take charge of your healthcare because it's not a sprint, it's a journey. Thank you, DJ Ktone. Thank you, DJ Squizzy Taylor.
Absolutely.
I'm excited about your commitment to making a difference in our community, and we applaud you and we see you. Make sure you check out these gentlemen's foundation. Catch them at one of their new spots where they're DJing at. Lots of amazing things going on. Check out DJ Ktone, DJ Squizzy Taylor. Thank you for this enlightening conversation. Thank you for sitting with Shay J. Until next time, we keep exploring impact and inspiring change. Thank you for watching Sitting with Shay J.